We are in the e-kitchen today, y'all, and we are back with our February Grove Collaborative haul. So we didn't get a lot of items, so let's just get right into it. We're gonna start with the free items. We have the peppermint bar soap. This is made with coconut oil and olive oils. This is what it looks like. Smells delicious. Peppermint is one of my favorite essential oils, so I'm excited about using that. And then our second free item, of course, is the walnut scrubber sponge, and there's 2 in this pack, and we actually needed these, so I'm glad that that came. And then starting with something new, we have the Mrs. Meyer's room freshener. This is in the lavender scent. Let's try it out. It smells okay. So not quite sure how long the scent will last. It's 8 full ounces, so we'll see. Something new to try out. And then this is the return buy. This is the hand soap, Mrs. Meyer's hand soap in the rosemary scent that I use in my master bedroom. Well, master bathroom actually. So I love this, so I had to reorder this, as well as the dish soap. I love using this with my dishes and with my bubble up brush. So the next item, y'all, I was real pressed to get this. So this is the Wood for Good Squirt and Mop Wood Full Cleaner. And I kept hearing everybody talk about this, and I kept seeing everybody haul this. So I'm excited. It's in the almond scent. I'm excited to smell this because this is what everybody talks about. Y'all, if y'all could smell this, it smells so good. It smells so good. So if this scent lasts, oh my goodness, I'm probably gonna use this today. I'm excited. And then the other Method product that we picked up was the anti-bac toilet cleaner in the spearmint scent. So we'll be using that. And then last but not least, we picked up 3 of the Hello products, which are all activated charcoal. This is the toothpaste, fluoride-free whitening toothpaste. It whitens naturally, it removes plaque, it freshens breath, and it tastes awesome, so they say. So we'll be trying this out, and we'll be using our toothbrush that has charcoal bristles. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then the last product that we have here is the actual mouthwash, and it's natural fresh mint with coconut oil. So this has no alcohol in it. It freshens your breath and it moisturizes your mouth. So we're going to try all of these products out, and we will be sure to update you guys on, you know, if it's anything. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to tell you, if I don't like it, I don't like it. So I'm going to be perfectly honest with you and let you know in our March haul whether or not I would recommend any of these products. If you have not tried Grove Collaborative, I will leave my link down in the description box. You can spend $20 and you can get 5 free items. So I don't think you can beat that. So thank you guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.